everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open up Sam's bead box for October. So I'm really excited for this one. It looks so beautiful. There's a few things here. I'm going to scoot them up so you don't get a sneak peek. First of all, our encouraging word for today is shine bright. Shine bright. Let your light shine. Okay, so Sam's bead box. It is a monthly subscription beading service. It is $45 a month plus shipping. It is all Czech glass and gemstone and usually tiara cast findings or components, and it is absolutely stunning and beautiful. So we're just going to jump right into it. It looks like it is an Art Deco theme this month, and Sam always writes a little bit over here about how he got inspired for this box, and so that's really interesting sometimes to read about how he got inspired. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. It says the retail value is $82. And first of all, we have a Czech glass center drilled flower in blue silver iris. This is 14 millimeter and it's an 8-piece set. And it is really, really pretty. So we've got the blue on the back, the clear on the front, and these are kind of an even darker shade of blue. Very, very pretty. Sam's boxes are always absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that is our Czech glass center drilled flower. Next we have lapis smooth round 10 millimeter. This is a 7-inch strand. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. Beautiful lapis. It's got kind of gold fleck in it almost. It's just gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. All right. Number 3 is a Czech glass faceted barrel. Evening Elegance mix. 6 by 15 millimeters. And you get 8 pieces in here. Oh, these are pretty. I want more of these. These are beautiful. Wow, look at those. Look at that. You know, it's just like an ombre effect almost. It's beautiful. They're faceted, so they're sparkly. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then we have Czech glass Druck round. Oh, these are so pretty too. Lavender amethyst Maria. Lavender amethyst Maria. Look how pretty. I think that's how you say that, Maria. Marie. Somebody let me know. They're beautiful. Look at that. Really pretty. I like Drucks rounds, Czech glass Drucks. They're just so perfectly round and smooth and just really nice. Okay, then we have, oh wow, grade A, B, no, sorry, Czech glass faceted long drop, tanzanite bronze, 8.5 by 20 millimeters, 6 pieces. These are really pretty too. They've got this bronze finish on them, if you can see. They're kind of transparent, really pretty. They're faceted too. Very cool. All right. Then let's see what we have. Faceted long drops. We've got a grade AB amethyst faceted cube. This is what I was going for a second ago. And here they are. Like, where'd they go? These are gorgeous. Faceted cube. Amethyst. Oh, wow, these are pretty. They are so sparkly. Look at that. Beautiful cubes. These are just really nice amethyst pieces. So pretty. Amethyst is my birthstone. Number 7 is a Czech glass Art Deco fan. 17 millimeter, 4 pairs. I love this box's jewel tones. One of my favorites. I love jewel tones. These are beautiful. So you've got your sapphire, emerald, ruby. This is kind of like a purpley amethyst here. And they've got the amber color, or I can't think of the word for the other one, but beautiful in the stripe and the gold there. Very pretty. Those are cool. These are top drill. No, they're not. Okay, they're not. They're center drilled, or, you know, really cool. Thought for sure they would be like briolet drilled, but they're not. Those are cool. Okay, then we have, let's see, Czech glass Druck round gold decadence, 6mm. These are pretty. Really pretty. Topaz, that's what I was going for, not amber. So pretty. Sometimes I just can't think of the right word at the moment. I know it in my head, but it just won't come out. All right, and then these are Czech glass Art Deco oval clear crystal gold. These are pretty too. Look how cool. Really cool. Okay, then we have a Czech glass mandala flower gold decadence, 18mm. Oh, look how pretty this is. Wow, look at that. Look at the detail on that. Beautiful. Really nice. Look how sparkly. I like this metallic. This metallic gold. It's really pretty. Then we have 80 Toho round seed beads in gold lined rainbow. I'm not going to open these. Well, maybe I will. Let's see if I can do it without spilling them everywhere. Because they are really pretty. Yeah, there we go. Woohoo, look at those. Gold lined rainbow. I mean, how much more beautiful can you get than a gold lined rainbow? There's just nothing better, I don't think. That's gorgeous. Those are very pretty. Wow. I've got an idea. I think these will be really pretty to brick stitch around this. May have to do that. We'll see. And then Czech glass starburst oval in gold decadence. 11 by 13mm. These are pretty. Loving these really metallic golds. Really pretty. Look at that. Sam does such a good job of curating a box. Then we have Czech glass fire polish faceted round jet black gold 8mm. This is nice to get 8mm fire polish, and look at the sparkle. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. So sparkly. Wow. 8mm fire polish, I don't feel like you see a whole lot, so this is really cool to get that size. Those are so pretty. So pretty and sparkly. And then we have them in a 4mm as well. So 2 different sizes. That's really nice. Still just as sparkly. Wow. Those are nice. Okay, then we have Czech glass diamond jet black AB. That's these. Really cool. It's a big old diamond. Ooh. It is 9.5 by 15.5mm. Those are cool. Okay, Czech glass diagonal drilled cube in emerald, 8mm. I love that these are diagonal drilled. That's going to give it a really cool effect when you string it this way, I think. Huh, we'll have to play around with those. That's interesting. But look how pretty. They're this transparent, really deep green. Beautiful emerald. Yeah, those are really cool. I like how they hang. Huh. Okay. Then we have Indian cut adventurine irregular rectangle. 4 by 7 by 5 by 11mm, 12-inch strand. These are beautiful. Look how pretty those are. Love this jewel tone theme here. I know Art Deco is not necessarily jewel tone. I don't know if he says anything over here about it being jewel tone, but it sure is. It's very pretty. I'll have to read this to you in just a second. It's really interesting how he explains, you know, his inspiration for the boxes. Okay. And then we have Czech glass cube in garnet, 5 by 6mm. Ooh, there we are with the red. How pretty. Now these are not diagonal drilled, these are regular, so that's kind of cool to get both. Might be neat to stack them. And the red and green would be pretty Christmas earrings too. Okay, and then we have Czech glass table cut freeform diamond, red crystal, 19 by 22 millimeter. Oh, these are cool. Table cut. I really like table cut for some reason. I keep them separate from everything else. They're special. Those are pretty. All right, and then the metal components this month are made in the USA. They are lead-free. It's a tiara cast, starburst button, antique gold plate. Wow, that's pretty. Really cute for a clasp on a bracelet. Really pretty. And then we have a Nun Design Studio Deco Dome Pendant, antique gold plate. This is pretty too. Look how interesting that is. Hang it like this and dangle something. You could do it like this. Huh, very cool. So that is Sam's bead box for this month. And let's look and see. It says, architecture of the Art Deco era stands out with its beautiful lines, geometric patterns, and refined ornamentation. Chrysler Building in New York City, or the Eastern Columbia Building in LA. A century after its start, the style seems to be in vogue once more. It says, Rachel and I, that's his sister Rachel, have long been drawn to Art Deco architecture and challenged ourselves to dream up a box inspired by the 20s design style. We started looking at the jewelry of the era, which was rich with sparkling diamonds and filigree. We were delighted to find Czech shapes such as the Deco fan, Deco ovals that felt perfect for the theme. While there aren't diamonds in this box, we are featuring glamorous elements including faceted amethyst cubes, fire polish drops, and a sparkling tiara cast button and geometric nun design focal. As we began putting together this box, I was amazed to discover the Art Deco architecture that's just around the corner from me. Do a search and you might be inspired by what you find. I can't wait to start beading together. Oh, yeah. So that's really, I love to hear how he finds. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous box this month. I mean, stunning. It's going to be fun to work with. Really beautiful. So thank you to Sam and Rachel for such a beautiful collection here. And I am going to get off here, and I've got some ideas. I'm going to go ahead and get to work on this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please ring the bell so you know when I upload tutorials. So you can watch this unboxing, but then if you're not subscribed and you don't ring the bell, you're not going to know when I upload something, so a tutorial using it. So please do that. And I will have all the links in the description box below this video for Sam's box. You can check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.